Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about physics. The topic today is about Kepler. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about Kepler's third law in here. So that should be about B1 square A1 to the power of 3 equal to B2 square over A2 to the power of 3. So let's say I want to choose this one that is about the Earth. So on the question they want to find about orbital period. That is about B number 1 in here. So we need to draw the diagram. This one that is about the sun. This one that is about the planet. So B number 1 that is about the orbital period. That means when they go one eclipse in here, they finish about one eclipse in the times. So this is about period. A that is about the distance between the sun to this planet in here. So we know that we have 9.6 and that is about the distance. So that is about 9.6 we put in here. About the Earth, we need to have 1 year to finish about the periods in here. So this one, the distance from the Earth to the sun, that's about 1 AU. Now we need to find about B1 square in here. So we put A1 to the power of 3 go to the right, and later that we put the square root because we have the power 2 in here. So B2 square, B2 that is about number 1, so we have 1 square in here. A1 that is about 9.6 to the power of 3, and this one we have A2 and that's about 1 to the power of 3. So this one we have 29.745 years. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.